Welcome, students! Today we are going to dive into the differences between can and could. Let's start by understanding how these two words are used differently. Can is used to talk about present abilities or possibilities, while could is used to talk about past abilities or possibilities. For example, I can speak English fluently refers to your current ability, whereas when I was younger, I could run very fast refers to a past ability. Now let's talk about how can and could are used to politely ask for things. When we use can or could to ask for something politely, it softens the request. For instance, can you please pass me the salt? Or could you help me with this exercise, please? Remember, can be used for many different things, such as asking questions like, can you swim? Or expressing ability like, she can play the piano. It can also be used to ask for permission. For example, can I go to the restroom? So keep practicing using can and could in different contexts to become more fluent in English. Have fun with it, and remember, practice makes perfect.